You ever wish you could turn your creativity into something cozy and profitable? Well, today I'm showing you how I use Printify to design and sell custom woven blankets, from picking the style to uploading your art or even using AI designs. Whether you're crafty or just love cool home decor, this is a side hustle you can literally snuggle up with. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's make some money. Printify is a super easy website that helps you turn your designs into real products like t-shirts, mugs, and even cozy woven blankets. You don't have to print anything yourself or keep a bunch of stuff at your house. You just upload your design, choose the product you want it on, and when somebody buys it, Printify makes it and ships it out for you. It's like having your own online store without the hard parts. And yes, you can actually make money doing this. Since you don't pay for anything up front, it's a low-risk way to start a side hustle. Woven blankets are great because people love giving them as gifts or buying them for their homes. If you price them right, you can make some major cheddar for every blanket you sell. So if you got an eye for design, or even if you just like using AI to help you create, this is a fun way to turn your creativity into cash. Speaking of design, this is one of my blankets that I designed inspired by my adorable Bubbles. Now let me show you how easy it was to put it all together. Okay, so now we're on the Printify's homepage, all right? So now we're going to create and sell custom products, 100% free to use, over 1,000 products, and they deliver globally. Are you ready to get started for free? Let's do this. Okay, first of all, I'm going to teach you how to sign up. I'm going to show you the way. If you already have a Google account, you can sign up, start earning for free. Look at the Google button right there. Sign up right there, or leave an email. Sign up with an email and a password that you will remember. Press that green button that says sign up, and let's get to work. Okay, they're doing some merch right now for teams. Look at the different teams and dorm decors. Okay, decor. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to start a shop in less than 2 minutes flat. Okay, now if you already have a store, all you have to do is connect your store, Printify to your store. If you have Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, I have a Wix store. I just connected it with my Printify. Let's connect your store. If you don't, let's do a pop-up shop. I'm going to show you how to do this in 2 minutes. You know, you ever been to a pop-up shop? They pop up. They're there for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Well, this one's a virtual one, okay? Let's get started. This one's as long as you want it to be. We're going to start with a store name. Hustle Shop. Nope, already taken. How about the Hustle Shop? Boom, gotcha. Agree to the pop-up store's terms and conditions. I'm in the U.S. Here we go. Customized store right in front of your eyes in less than 2 minutes flat. You can change the colors. You can create your merch, whether you're creating it yourself or have AI do it. You can place it into your store and start selling immediately. Start your shop, okay? Let the world know you have a virtual store. You have a store now with beautiful merch, okay? They got different colors. You can do black, yellow. You can customize all of that. Very simple to do, and it's fun, okay? Let's get to it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some merch. I created this fabulous woven blanket. Go to catalog, home and living, go to blankets, and you'll see woven blanket, okay? Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to do this. 52 by 37. I picked that particular size. You can do artwork, photos. It's up to you, okay? I'm going to do some AI artwork, all right? And I'm not a great artist, so I'm going to let you know now. this is what I picked. I have a Yorkie, okay? So she reminds me of my little superhero. So I put this together, super pop power. Let me show you how quick it is to make a blanket. And I'm telling you, you can make some serious money. I am selling these, and I'm telling you, I'm going to sell out for Christmas. You're going to check my website, and you're going to see it sold out. Okay, so I'm letting you know now, get ready for this. 52 by 37, you need to start making some blankets, okay? You could do customized blankets for people who have pets. You could do teams. You could do whatever you need to do. Customize them. Everybody has their little thing they like. If they like bowling, do a bowling blanket. They have a doggy, do a doggy. They like a particular cat, a Persian, do it. All right, so now I uploaded it. Now it's going to be turned one way. Now check out the title. You can turn it around. Cozy Pet Themed Woven Blanket. I'm going to change it up to Superhero Yorkie, Doggy, and Sleepy Joe. Ideal for kids, bedroom decor, gifts for pet lovers, nursery. Absolutely. It even tells you the care instructions. Machine washable, non-chloride bleach is as needed, and tumble dry on low heat. It gives you all the facts, information about the material, 100% cotton. It gives you all that information, and your customers will see the same information. So they'll know how to take care of their blanket. Now you see the price, retail price. I got a $42.78. Now we're about to change that. My profit is $17.11. Profit is margin is 40%. I'm about to hit it up to $46. I just raised my profit to $20.33. 44% profit margin. $45.99 sounds a little bit better. Doesn't sound like 46, right? All right. So now they will see that in the store and they will be purchasing it. Now, let me show you my super power pop blanket. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to sell this thing. I already know like 3 people want it. 3 people already are trying to get this from me. Look at this. Look at this little blanket. It's so pretty. It can cover up the whole bed. Trust me. I already had it on my bed. Look what it says. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's so cute. And this is like because of my Yorkie. Okay, this is my Yorkie. Look what it says at the bottom. Super pop power. Okay. Now I have a Yorkie, so I was like, I have to do this for her. Okay, you have I don't care what kind of dog you have. You can have a Chihuahua. You can have a pit bull. You can have an Alaskan Husky. If you are, I belong to a Yorkie group, okay, on Facebook, and I can sell these. I can let them know I have this available for them. If you belong to a group or something like that, or if your kids are on a team, make merch, blanket merch. Put the team on or their symbol or their mascot on the blanket. See if you can do that and sell them. Okay, I'm gonna be selling this in my Facebook group, so you can customize stuff. I belong to a Yorkie group, so of course every Yorkie is like 10,000 Yorkie lovers in the group. Of course they're gonna want this. You know what I mean? So you can do this and make some serious money. Wasn't that blanket doggone cute? You get it? Doggone. Okay. Now let me show you how I made another blanket. This time it was a custom controller that came out really, really cool. Okay, so now we're about to create a fabulous blanket, but I'm going to use an AI image generator. Let me put in colorful game controller. All right, that is the prompt. Okay, now they're going to make this beautiful controller, and let's see what it does. This is the Printify's AI image generator. How exciting is this? Oh, wow, it is very colorful. I love it. That's like a cartoon type, comic book type. I want something a little different. Okay, I know what I want. Okay, I know what to do. But I like that. I like where we're going with this. Look at all the different styles. They have anime. They have everything. We're going to go photographic. They have so many different styles to choose from. So let's do colorful wireless game controller, bright, colorful. And let's do photographic instead of like the comic book type, anime. I did comic book. I want to try some other ones later. Let's see. Okay, it's generating. Let's see. I'm excited. Whoa. First of all, that was fast. I love it. Come on, it's going on a blanket. It's go. If you're a gamer, you're gonna appreciate this. Looking like an Xbox game controller here. Let's put the black background on. Give it that sleek look, okay? Look at the colors popping. Oh my goodness, like neon. Oh my goodness. Like neon. I love those colors. Iridescent. Okay, we put it in a select mock-up. All right, let's see. Okay, it's giving me the mock-up now on a blanket. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. This is 52 by 37. Okay, and the back is going to be just absolutely gorgeous as well. Now I have the mock-up. I'm going to get a nice title. Oh, let's have AI generate a title. A brief title. This is a woven blanket of a video game controller. Generate. Wow. Gave me a whole description and it gave me a title. I'm going to change that title, but I love the description. Okay. Look at the price. We're not keeping it at $42.78, which is a good price. I'm going to keep it in the same range, but I'm going to go up a little bit. Okay. Because gamers will pay for an awesome blanket on their beds. Okay. All right. $44.99. There's my profit. Okay. Remember, I'm going to publish this and I'm going to have this in my store. Let's change out the game, the title for gamers. Look how I spelled it. For gamers only blanket. Oh my God. So you can feel exclusive. You know what I mean? This is exclusive for gamers only. If you're a real gamer, you're going to appreciate this. Okay. For gamers only blanket. Okay. For gamers only gamer blanket. You like that, right? That's the handle right there. All right, let's get it. Oh my goodness. We're going to put this in the store. Look at this. It tells you how to take care of the blanket. All right, so let's get it. Let's do this now. Putting it in the store. We connected it. We published it. There you go. All in stock. Publishing. Okay. 2 designs finished. There's 2 variants, 2 styles. I might have different colors available. But for now, you see the black? Okay, that's really sleek. Let's check it out in the store, okay? I love it. Let's show it in the store. Oh my goodness. And I take PayPal, by the way. The 4 payment plan. I love it. You need to do this in your store. You need to get your merch out. Look at that. Look at that. You need to make some blankets. Oh my goodness. Got the whole description. So professional, people. You know I'm purchasing that. And oh my goodness. I got to give one for my little cousin who loves to video game. Oh, he's a gamer, and he's going to get one of these, okay? I loved it. Oh, my goodness. Another awesome piece of merch right there. I love that merch. That gaming blanket was everything, okay? I love it. Okay, so now I want to show you that you can sell your merch on TikTok, Instagram. This one's for TikTok. I made a quick 30-second video to sell my blanket. Remember that puppy blanket, super pup power blanket? This is an example how you can make a quick 20-30-second video and sell it. Okay, so I'm promoting this. I'm gonna promote it so Facebook, everybody can have it. But I want to show you how I'm gonna do it on TikTok. You can do this with any image you make, any product you make. You put the image on with Place It. Place It works with Printify. So together, you can put your merch on videos, on images, and this is the results. And it came out fantastic. Okay, let's check it out. You see my blanket? It's on everything. You're just showing different images of it, pictures of it. You can make this in less than 5 minutes. Replace it. All right, there you go. And now you have a whole video that you can use on social media to promote your products from Printify. It's that simple. Now, if you want a more in-depth, step-by-step guide on how to set up a Printify store, check out this video right here. Are you ready to turn your cute ideas into cozy cash? Go ahead and try Printify for yourself. Start designing those custom blankets today, whether it's for your pets, gifts, or just because this is one side hustle that's as comfy as it is creative. Don't sleep on it. You get it? Unless it's under one of your own blankets. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Printify. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.